Is passwordless authentication one of your top 3 items this year? If not, maybe it should be. "81% of all breaches can be traced back to a weak or reused password." Many companies have implemented multi-factor authentication to reduce that threat. But multi-factor authentication still leaves passwords in place. And passwords are the most common category of help desk call. In fact, according to Gartner, 30 to 50% of all help desk calls are password resets, and the average cost to your business is between $10 and $37 per resolved ticket. Passwordless authentication allows your employees to log into their Windows laptop and all of their apps with their face. And that means there's no password to forget, ever. No more password resets to worry about, no forgetting the password, no downtime, no one locked out. So what would you do if you could give back half of the time to your help desk?